Hey everyone, welcome back to Rafik Gadget Review. If you're looking for a webcam that can make your online meetings, live streams, or content creation setup look far more professional without taking up much space, then today's product might be exactly what you need. This is the new OBSBOT Tiny 3 Lite, a compact AI-powered 4K PTZ webcam that brings some impressive smart features at a much more accessible price point. Inside the box, you get the OBSBOT Tiny 3 Lite webcam itself, a USB-C cable, and a USB-C to USB-A adapter. It's a simple package, but everything you need to get started is included. Now, the first thing that stands out about the Tiny 3 Lite is its motorized PTZ design. Unlike a traditional fixed webcam, this camera can physically pan and tilt to follow you around the frame. Thanks to OBSBOT's AI Tracking 2.0 technology, the camera automatically keeps you centered while you move, making it perfect for presentations, teaching, streaming, and any situation where you don't have to stay glued to one spot. When it comes to image quality, the Tiny 3 Lite features a 2x1-inch CMOS sensor capable of recording in 4K at 30 frames per second and up to 1080p at 120 frames per second. The footage looks sharp, detailed, and natural, while HDR support helps maintain balanced exposure in challenging lighting conditions. Another highlight is the control system. You can use gesture control and voice control to operate various functions without touching the camera, making the overall experience much more convenient during live sessions or meetings.
Zoom in closer.
Audio is also a strong point here. OBSBOT has equipped the Tiny 3 Lite with 3 microphone system that includes one omnidirectional microphone and 2 directional microphones, combined with multiple audio modes and noise reduction. It can capture voices clearly whether you're working alone or speaking with multiple people in the room.
This is the microphone quality of OBSBOT Tiny 3 Lite webcam. Mic testing 1 to 3, mic testing 1 to 3.
One thing I really like is the portability. The webcam weighs only around 73 grams and includes an integrated stand, making it easy to carry and set up almost anywhere. Despite its small size, it feels packed with useful features that are typically found in more expensive webcams. Overall, OBSBOT Tiny 3 Lite is an excellent choice for remote workers, educators, streamers, and content creators who want 4K quality, AI tracking, smart controls, and solid audio performance in a compact package. If you're ready to upgrade from a standard webcam, this is definitely one worth considering. Thanks for watching Rafik Gadget Review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.